where House Speaker Paul Ryan is answering questions about conservative Republican caucus members trying to impeach the Deputy Attorney General. Their beef with Trump appointee Rod Rosenstein, the man overseeing the Mueller investigation. The claim that he has not turned over everything they want to see, all the sensitive information about ongoing investigations.
Do I support impeachment of Rod Rosenstein? No, I do not. I do not for a number of reasons. We, since I got involved, have been getting a lot of compliance from DOJ on the document requests.
Do you view this as a legitimate effort or as a stunt?
Look, I think they know how I feel about this.
Joining me now, NBC's Kristen Welker at the White House, NBC's Jeff Bennett on Capitol Hill, MSNBC political analyst Robert Costa, national political reporter at the Washington Post and moderator of Washington Week, Betsy de la Vega, a former federal prosecutor who reported directly to Robert Mueller in the past, and MSNBC justice and security analyst Matt Miller, former chief spokesman for Attorney General Eric Holder. First to you, Jeff Bennett, you are aware of the Speaker's position on this. First of all, the Freedom Caucus, so-called, these very conservative members, pitched this, but they didn't pitch it as a privileged resolution to really jam it onto the floor. So were they just trying to make a point? What's going on up there?
It certainly appears that way, Andrea. And today we heard the House Speaker Paul Ryan not publicly condemn the effort, but tick through all the reasons why he doesn't support it. He said it's not smart to be cavalier with this term of impeachment. He said that if this move ever did actually move to the Senate, although it's highly unlikely it ever would, that it would really jam up the Republican agenda, including the effort to confirm the Supreme Court nominee, Brett Kavanaugh. So what we're left with is that, yes, this does appear to be an effort to further politicize the Mueller probe, and perhaps to lay the predicate to give President Trump an excuse, if he so chooses, to get rid of Rod Rosenstein, who, as you know, is Robert Mueller's boss. He could always point to this notion that, well, look, he's the subject of this impeachment process on the Hill. But it does not appear at this point, since the members of the House Freedom Caucus aren't using that maneuver to really force a vote, and because it doesn't have the support of House Republican leadership, it doesn't appear at this point that it's going to move anywhere anytime soon, Andrea.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.